Customizing your email signature on your iPhone 16 helps maintain a professional appearance and automatically adds your contact information to all outgoing emails. Here's how it's done. To begin, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find and select Mail from the list of apps to proceed. In the Mail app settings, scroll to the Composing section at the bottom section. Then tap on Signature. You can choose your signature preference for all accounts and use the same signature for all email accounts, or per account to use a different signature for each email account. To edit your signature, simply delete the existing text, then enter your new signature. You can also add contact information, job title, or any other relevant details accordingly. Once you're finished, tap Done. Your email signature is now saved and all set to appear on the next emails you send. This feature ensures that every email you send includes your professional signature automatically. Whether you choose a unified signature for all accounts or customize it per account, this helps maintain consistency in your email communications. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.